Welcome to the IMSC ISU Capstone Project video for fall of 2021. My name is Edwin and my teammates Abdul Jarim and Noah. We are Group 4. We did our project with Rosenboom company based in Sheldon, Iowa. Rosenboom specializes in custom crafted hydraulic cylinders. We will focus on the objective, current state analysis, future state analysis, and the return on investment. Our primary objective is to reduce the occupied floor space by 75% by designing a rack to store cylinders, and our secondary objective is to decrease the material handling time by 40% by creating a more point of use storage.
In our current state analysis, we conducted multiple studies. Represented on the left top corner is the spaghetti diagram of the material flow and the facility layout. And represented with the red thick line on the right top corner is the most repetitive movement of material. What we found out from the spaghetti diagram is the current state analysis of cylinder movement pie chart represented on the top right corner, and represented with 34% is the necessary but not value added in yellow, and represented with a 65% value added in green. On our second study, we did the work sampling for 2 cumulative days, and we found the 15 different categories of movement. The represented in black is the 16% of moving unprocessed bars, and represented in the gray is the 14% movement of processed bars, and that's what we're trying to solve for the company. In our future state design, we represented our solution as a second tier, representing the top left corner, which will be used in throughout the facility. And moved for moving the bars, we designed the J-hook representing the top right corner, and the lift bar representing the bottom right corner is the mechanism that moves cylinders from the second tier to the first tier, which is the process table. And as it can be seen, the left bottom corner is the process which mates the left bar with the second tier.
In this video, you can see the pair of J-hooks coming in and slowly depositing 3 bars on the top of the second tier rack. The cylinders in the rear will then retract and then extend, allowing the J-hooks to release and the bars to move to the front of the rack. In this second video, after the bars have been deposited on the rack, the lift bar assemblies will rise and mate with the top of the rack and slowly lower the cylinders it catches down to the infeed table, allowing for processing to begin. We divided the return on investment for our material handling category into 3 subcategories. This consists of a 68% savings in crane movement, 21% of these savings are in the cylinder loading department, and 10% of these savings are within cylinder unloading process. With respect to our objective for saving floor space, 35% of the status quo of floor space has been conserved with our solution implementation. Overall, we project a 6.7% ROI over a 5-year period following implementation. After this, after a period of 10 years, we would expect a 20.4% ROI on this project. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you for your time.